Learn how to convert centimeters to meters in decimal in Excel. This quick tutorial shows you the exact formula, step-by-step method and an example table to help you understand the conversion. So how you can do that? I have a table over here and you can see that there is the cm and then meters. So for this you need to use the convert formula. Put the equal sign, type convert, bracket open, give the reference cell, comma, double quote, and you need to use cm because you are converting cm to meter, so cm is the abbreviation of centimeters, double quote, and then comma, and again double quote, and meters abbreviation stands for m, and double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter, and now drag the fill handle to see the other values. So select all the values and under the home tab you will see that in number there is a decimal. So you need to increase the decimal. So you can see that the 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter and 125 cm equal to 1.25, and similar the figures are goes on. So keep in mind that the 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So you can use the direct multiplication formula. For this you need to put the equal sign, select the cell reference which is the meter and multiply by 100 and hit enter, and you can directly find in this way. So I hope you understand you can convert centimeter to meter in decimal in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.